Hello people, and welcome to my screen. On my last video I talked about EURUSD and CADCHF. On this video today we shall be talking about EURUSD and CADCHF. We want to do a quick review before the market open again for the week. Now let's go to the higher time frame to see what we are talking about. Now on the weekly time frame, we can see that EURUSD is on the downtrend, and also for the past 2 years now, EURUSD has not been trending. It has been moving sideways movement, consolidating for the past 2 years now, and it's now looking as if EURUSD price wants to start trending. Now we use the Fibonacci from the point of the swing high right here down to the swing low. We can see that the Fibonacci has tell us that indeed there was a push to the downside. Price has retraced, and price is what is pointing to this green bar right here. We expect price to come to this green bar right here if euro should start trending. We have used the trend line, the counter trend line. We have the first touch of the trend line, second touch of the trend line, and upon the third touch of the trend line, price break out of the trend line and is pointing to the downside, and the next Fibonacci level target is this green bar right here, 100% retracement. Now after price has break out of this counter trend line, it has pushed down to the key level of resistance, and presently price is struggling around that side. And as you can see right here, it's looking like a trend reversal again. It might necessarily not be a trend reversal, but technically with what we are seeing right here, it's looking like a trend reversal to push to this counter trend line again. Now let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, indeed we have a first touch right here, second touch again, and upon the third touch, price break out and retested that level and pushed to the downside of key level of resistance, and price is currently struggling and romancing that level. EURUSD might still not be ready to trend. It can still come back here again, but if EURUSD wants to come back here again, it needs to tell us. We need to see how the candlestick react. But right here, previous support is about to turn resistance, really because price has break and close outside this support, and is currently going to test it to turn resistance. Previous support wants to turn previous support wants to turn key resistance right now. Now on the 4-hour time frame is where we now see properly. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can now see that okay, price has also indeed break out of this place. Is coming back here. Last week when I was analyzing EURUSD, price was currently here, and as you can see for this week now, price has fired up to this side and is on its way to this level right here. Price is on its way to fill this level right here before pushing down to the downside. And the next level target, if price should break out of this counter trend line right here, the next level target is this key level of support here. When price gets to this place, it's still going to react. Reason because it is a key level. That level can reject that price back to the upside again. But if that level was unable to reject that price to the upside, then it's coming back to this 100% retracement green bar right here. On the last week video, it's not quite different from what I'm saying now. 70% to the downside and 30% to the upside. Which is because On the higher time frame, we have seen a push to the downside. Price has retraced. We use the Fibonacci from the point of the swing high to the swing low. It has given us the next level target for price. If euro price should start trending, it should start trending again. We want to see euro price come back here to the weekly time frame again. This was the push to the downside. This was the push. This was the push leg to the downside right here. Price has retraced here. We expect price to come back here to this green bar right here to form an 100% retracement. But if indeed euro USD want to blow up to the upside, at least let it come here and give us a trend reversal of a double bottom. But as it is now, if euro USD want to turn to the upside, it has to come here. This place will be with this key level of support right here will be the deciding factor if euro USD will go up or price will continue heading lower to this green bar right here. I'm favoring 70% to the downside and 30% to the upside. Now, then 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we expect price to fill this level properly before price pushing to the downside of this key level of resistance right here. So that is that on euro USD. Now let's move next to CADCHF. Now on the CADCHF, let me go to the higher time frame. On the CADCHF, you can see that CADCHF is on the downtrend and CADCHF is stuck in a range. It has been trading in between the key level of support and the key level of resistance for a few months now, and is just struggling to break higher. At the point in time, price break and close outside this key level of resistance, and I was even thinking that, oh, I think it's time to start looking for buying opportunity. But I decided to wait for the following week market to open, and the following week market push the price down again. CADCHF is presently struggling and moving sideways in between this key level of support and this key level of resistance right here. Now on the daily time frame is where we now come to look for an opportunity at least that will take us for the buy to this key level of resistance right here. When price get to this key level of resistance, is still going to react because this is a key level of resistance. This level can push the price to the downside, and this level can still push the price to the upside. But technically, when price gets to this key level of resistance right here, it's going to react. Price is going to react on that level before pushing to this green bar right here. This is a minor level green bar that price has created. And also when price gets to this green bar right here, it's still going to react to. Now, before price get there, it needs to clear this level first. Now, as it is now, I'm expecting price to come back here to fill this empty space properly before pushing to the upside. But as it is again, price has pushed down like so. This is a high, this is a low, and price can get here, and fired up again, and price can still get here again and still come back here to fill this place properly before pushing to the upside. Now on the 4-hour time frame, let's come to the 4-hour time frame to see properly again. Now on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that 4-hour time frame price is struggling. We have the first touch rejection, second touch, that trend line rejected that price. On the third touch, that level and that trend line still reject that price again. And on the fourth touch again, this is looking as if price wants to blow to the upside or it still want to glow again. But now, as it is now, we need to see candlestick reaction. Is the candlestick reaction that will tell us what we need to know before jumping in for this buy. Price is still coming to this key level of resistance, but it still need to fill some levels. Like I said, this empty space here need to be filled properly before bringing to the upside. We can't just jump on a buy button. We can't just trigger the buy button because the price wants to sell. It needs to fill this place properly. It might happen, it might not happen. The market is dynamic, but as it is now, we have a high, we have a low here, we have a high, we have a low. In fact, I want price, like I'm expecting price to come back here. When price gets here properly, then we can now look for then we can start looking for buying opportunity to the upside. Then forward candle break and close outside this trend line right here. We take off for the buy to the upside. That will be all on CADCHF. So let's see how the market will play out for the coming week. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the subscribe button right there. It does not take you anything. Do that now and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.